Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can remove the background from your photos or videos using the CapCut app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, just open CapCut, then create a new project and add a video or a few videos for the background. Let's add these two. And when you have your videos and you want to add an overlay, which we are going to remove the background from, you can add, let's start with the video. I'm going to show you how to remove the background from a video, and then we are going to do it with a photo as well. So let's mute the video so we won't hear it. And as you can see right now, it has a green background. We can make it even bigger. And to remove this background, you can just tap on one very cool and easy to use tool, which is the remove background in the middle. And when you tap on it, it's going to remove your background automatically. Now keep that in mind that this tool removes any kinds of background. So you don't need a video or an image that has a green screen background. You can have any kind of background which is a smooth surface. It is going to remove it very easily. Actually, I'm going to show you at the picture section, when we are going to remove the background from an image, that it can do it with any color background. Now let's see how it looks with our new background. As you can see, now the background is removed, but the video is still working. So yeah, it's very easy to use and very cool. Now let's do the same thing with a photo. So let's just tap on add overlay, go to the photos and choose a photo from here. And maybe let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's pull it up here. And as you can see, this one doesn't have a green background. It has a gray background, but it's going to remove the background the same way very easily. So as you can see, let's make it longer. The video rolls in the background and our image has the background removed quite professionally. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to check out the links in the description, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.